Welcome to the Expedition Theme Check-In. I'm Jessica, Checkfront Site Builder Specialist. While all Site Builder accounts come with awesome features like full mobile responsiveness and search-friendly pages to increase your visibility, each theme is a little bit different. The Expedition theme was designed with rentals, vacation packages, and accommodations in mind, and is optimized for multi-day bookings. Let's have a look at a finished website before going over what you'll see while you're building your site. In this demo site, you can see a hero image, a featured items block, a gallery block, and a testimonials block. Jumping into the Site Builder editor, Expedition's specialty feature is the header search function. When enabled, a search link will appear on your website's header, allowing users to search for an item by date from anywhere on your site. When disabled, the search link will be hidden. Something else unique to this theme is a social sharing block that appears on your item and post pages so that visitors can easily share your material with friends. Remember to set a share image in your site's marketing settings so that social viewers can get an idea of what your business is all about. You'll notice that Expedition is quite flexible because each of the 3 sections on the homepage can be formatted with any block. Back on the editor's landing page, let's see what content blocks Expedition offers. Expedition's hero image is designed for simplicity and does not include any text or call to action button. The image's aspect ratio can be modified, and the photo can be either fixed to the page, like this, or set to scroll without the 3D look. Expedition's gallery block can display up to 5 images in a mosaic. To see a title and description for each image, visitors can hover over the photo or click into a full-screen modal. Like all other themes, you can showcase or promote up to 6 items using the featured item block and include up to 3 sections of text using the testimonials block. Expedition's feature block showcases up to 4 key ideas that include an image, title, description, and hyperlinked button. The code block allows for extra flexibility. Advanced Site Builder users can code for things like special text or iframes to display YouTube videos. If you're not familiar with HTML or JavaScript code, try consulting Google to find some great resources. While the Expedition theme does not include a call to action block, visitors can use the calendar search in the navigation bar and on inventory pages to see your offerings filtered for availability. A calendar search will not appear on the categories page, so keep that in mind when you're planning your customer's booking journey on your website. This theme also does not include an Instagram block. However, you can still link your Instagram to the footer of your website using Site Builder's connected services. Within the Expedition theme, item pages are extremely customizable. Unlike other themes where the hero image is pulled from your booking manager, you have the option to choose your own hero. You can also include an item parameter block to highlight specific details about your item's parameters and prices. And choose any 3 blocks to go below your item's information. Be aware that if you have a policy that needs to be accepted to proceed with a booking, it will display in full form within this theme, while others display only a link with an agreement checkbox. Each site builder comes equipped with a blog, contact us page, and ability to integrate your social media so that customers can find out more about your business. This has been an introduction to the Expedition theme. For more information on Site Builder, check out our knowledge base at support.checkfront.com or email our team and we'd be happy to help.